Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. Today we are going to discussing about how to create and manage a collection API testing using Postman. Basically what is collection is? Collections are a group of saved requests you can arrange into a folder. We can able to create one folder, we can able to save the requests into a one group of. We can able to run entire group of requests or a single request. This is the flow of creation of collection. Create a collection, add request and run collection. Here create collection place we can able to provide entire collection one authorization. If your company is providing any authentication, those things you can able to store here. We can able to access entire collection. If you having any subfolders inside the collection, we can able to use this authorization, and we can able to run a single request or entire group of collection. We can able to add inside the collection, we can able to add each scenario one creating a folder. Inside the folder we can able to add requests. We can able to add requests, we can able to write a scripting, and each scenario we can able to run like this is the flow we can able to use. First creation, what are the operations we can able to create. How to create a collection, saving a request to a collection, saving collection from history, duplicate of existing collection, right? Now if I want to create a new collection, I can able to click create new, then I can able to provide testing. This is my collection. Inside if I extract that testing one, you can able to see add request. I can able to add a new request, and also I can able to store inside here directly get details one API. Okay, this is my API, and I'm going to save here. If I'm running this one, it will gives the value, and I can directly save here. Okay, I can able to save from history. This is the history. I can able to save. Today's one is this one. If I'm clicking this one, save request. If I click this one, I can able to save request or else press symbol, add a request to collection. These two ways I can able to add it. Anyone we can able to choose, and we can able to add it. Save. We need to choose which collection we need to save. First one, duplicate. I can able to give the name of get details to and saving. If I'm going to collection, if I see get details to, okay, I can able to duplicate the collection. Now if I'm clicking this one, duplicate. If I'm doing, it will create a duplicate copy of that collection. Like this we can able to achieve. And also we can able to do some operations for sharing collections. Sharing a collection in app, sharing collection into a dashboard, sharing as a file, modifying a team permissions. Team permissions means while you creating the workspace, there you have to modify. If I'm not going to show this permission because of some restriction places, because once we showcase like permissions, then you can able to go ahead. Okay, that permissions you can able to see in your end. Now sharing collection, click here three buttons, you can able to see share collection. If you click this one, you can able to share that entire uh, collection to any one group, or if you want to share some outside of the peoples, you can able to share, and you can able to based upon with the environment, you can able to share that other peoples also. You can able to get some via JSON link. That JSON link also you can able to copy paste. It will generate a public key. Get JSON public key, it will fetch that public key and it will give some value. this link. You can able to copy this link and share to your team member. They will import this link into their postman. It will share it. And workspace also you can able to share entire team members or anybody, and based upon that you can able to see. Modifying sharing as a file collections. Okay, now managing collections we can able to do navigate through the collections and edit a view collection details and create a new collection, reorder the collection, favorite a collection, filter a collection, delete a collection, and recovery a collection, share a collection, other collections features, adding a folder. We can able to add inside another folder. Click create add folder. Inside the folder I can able to give testing one. This is my collection. A collection inside another folder as a collection. Okay, this way we can able to create another collection, and we can able to reorder. See, inside the collection we can able to do reordering. We can able to reorder that collections first to second, second to third, like that we can able to do some ordering. And the point is sharing a collection. Share collection I already showed. Recovery a collection, delete a collection. If you delete a collection, any collection, you click and delete collection. Okay, it will go on sit into trash. You can able to here you can open trash is there, or else here trash button is there. Any one you can able to click, you can able to open a trash. Here we can able to see testing workspace. Here is a few seconds back it is done, right? Now I'm going to permanently can able to delete or else restore the trash where you want. Max workspace or team testing, which place testing workspace, then click on restore. Then you can go for back to home and testing workspace. Here you can able to it will come late actually. Some operations it will view complete collection documentation. This collection returns it will take some more time. See, now it is coming, right? Testing workspace copy one. Previous we deleted and restored it. It will take some time. It will appears, but it will take some time to appear here. In the trash also, you will not see immediately. Sometimes it will take time to uh, display the which one we deleted. That you have to some patience we need required to see that value. Okay, delete recovery is completed. Filter, we can able to search here which one we want. This one we can able to see like this. We can able to search, filtering that which collection we want. Favorite, if you click favorite, this is the symbol as a favorite. If you click this one, it is taking time to select actually. We can able to favorite this one, but it is not clicking right now. My system something having problem. If you click the star symbol, no, this one it will highlight. Once it is highlighted, then it will sit into the top position. Now see, highlighted, right? Yeah. The position we need to clicking position is not correct. That's why it is not taking. See, now one star I removed. Testing workspace is sitting into top. Correct. like that. If you can able to do it for favorite also, and create workspace already showed, reordering collection also I showed, and edit we can able to see, navigating one collection to another connection we can able to do it, or else we can able to do edit. If you want edit that is name of collection, we can able to edit and save, and if you want to add some more requests we can able to do it. This all operations we can able to do using collections. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.